Guys, good day. Flex ko sa inyo yung nomadic purser natin na jig head, 2 grams, galing kay Pamasol Tackle Shop. Ayan guys, napakalupit yan. Try natin dito. Try natin ngayon yung 4 cm natin na Birkin Polaris. Ayan, 2 grams yan mga master. Ayan, field test natin yung nomadic purser, diamond cut yan mga master. Fish on. First unlock natin guys, oh. Dali ng Birkin Polaris na green guys. Ayan, nomadic purser, diamond cut yan mga master. Good size na guys, good size. And guys, oh, good size. Dali, oh, ang ganda na. Malaki na rin guys. Bugaong. Kulay green lang yan mga master. At 2 grams na diamond cut na jig head natin. Ayan, napakalupit yan guys. Sobrang effect, saka ganda yung hook. Sobrang tulis ng hook ng nomadic purser. Pamasol Tackle Shop. Okay, yun lang guys. Maraming salamat. Fish on.